In my last video, I shared with you how 93% of Americans are out of their right mind. In this video, I'm going to show you why that is true. I'm going to give you the science to back that up. Let's get into it. So how sick is America? Okay, America has got some big health issues, okay? And that 93% of them are out of their right mind. Well, the proof is that 93% of Americans are very, very, very sick. Let me give you an example. Back in the last video, which I'm going to link up here, I shared with you how 93% of Americans are not thinking from the prefrontal cortex, which is the command center part of the brain, which is the part that handles rational thinking, creative problem solving. They're coming out of the amygdala, which is also known as the amygdala hijack, which is activated during a stress response, fight, flight, or freeze. That's what this is, the fight, fight, or freeze response. So most Americans are in this response 24/7, every day of the year, unfortunately. And it causes tremendous amount of poor health issues. It makes you want to eat sugar, carbs. The proof is literally in the pudding, okay? That people are eating unhealthy, they're spending money out of control, they're having lots of health issues, emotional issues, physical issues. Stress is the #1 killer. We talked about that in the other video. So, but my proof is, and I'm going to share with you, really, you're going to do it? Yes, I am. No, I don't believe you're going to do it. Yes, I am. Stop talking like that. Anyway, so in the last video I shared that, but that 93% of Americans are sick and very sick. And the proof is that Tufts University, a very well prestigious university in America, did this study of 55,000 American adults over the age of 20 years old. Okay, they did it from 1999 to 2018. That's a long study. That's not just some little quick study, okay? And they discovered that in this period of time, that 93% of Americans have what's known as poor cardiometabolic health. It's a big word, okay? And the combination of, they have high blood pressure, they could have one or more of these things. High blood sugar, high blood cholesterol, they're overweight or obese. We can see that just by looking at society. And they have the risk of heart attack or stroke. 93%. This is scientifically proven. 55,000 Americans, okay, over basically a 10-year span. So, back to my other video where I said 93% of people in America are out of their right mind because of stress. Well, stress causes this. This does not cause the problem. This is the result of people being stressed out, eating poorly, making poor health decisions and things like that, okay? So what's the fix? Well, first of all, my buddy Dismo says that's not good. Dismo hates this kind of stuff, so that's not good. So what's the fix, okay? The fix for this is not to get people to go on a diet. That's the wrong approach, okay? Yeah, 2 or 3% might succeed, but look, if diets worked, then we wouldn't be at this 93% mark, okay? Another book, another video, another self-help class or something like that, emotional support group, all could be good, but it's not going to make a difference, okay? Because we're at 93%. It's actually over 90. It's like 93.2%. So the fix is to de-stress your life, to get rid of the stress in your life. That's why I wrote this book called The Stress-Free Diet. And in there, we talk about stress and all the things about stress, but we also share with you what's known as stress triggers. We have 18 of them. There's lots more of them. And a stress trigger is a person, a place, or a thing that causes you stress. Okay? All right? And that's in the book. Where can you get the book? It's available on the world's largest river. And feel free to like, comment, subscribe, or share with people that might want to know about this. And for everyone that does that, I do a push-up. And as always, thanks for watching.